majority is very powerful. The Speaker of the Senate is almost number 4 in leadership in this country. So really, how can a PS who is approved by this House go in and castigate a Speaker? So, Mr. Speaker, we're not talking about this issue of diplomacy, issues of opening embassies abroad, issues of bringing these countries all together. Recently, we admitted Somali into the East African community. Why is it wrong? If people are able to recognize Somaliland as a nation within a nation, why is it wrong for the Speaker of this House to be able to meet with dignitaries from that country? So, Mr. Speaker, I think it's about time that we stand firm, defend this House, defend the leadership of this House, and ensure that we can be able to go together as a nation. Yesterday, Mr. Speaker, we were arguing here about the welfare of our citizens, of our staff. There are things that do not require politics, Mr. Speaker. There are things which are important. Today, I get a phone call from one of our suppliers who assists our constituencies offices, that he could not be able to take his child to the hospital because my office has not paid for things that they supplied for the operations of our county offices. So if we cannot sit here and talk, anytime we raise issues, it's a problem. You hear someone in the executive coming here and castigating this House. I think it's about time that we make a firm determination, and this statement by the distinguished senator from Migori should be one that can be able to canvass all these issues. Not only the issue of Morocco, but also the issue of Somaliland, so that we can put everything to rest. And finally, as I sit, Mr. Speaker, I really would like to request the same Committee on Foreign Relations to summon Abraham Korir Singwe to come and explain why he took to social media to castigate the Speaker of this House. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.